another demand curve, which means the demand curve is totally changed. Right? Here we go. Right? So let me explain here one point here as well. So if you see a scenario 1 here, if you draw, this is, for example, old quantity demand. We can say that quantity demanded. Okay. So my pen stopped working. Let's see that here. Here we go. So we see here, this is the old one. We call this QD1. This is the new one, Q2. So you see here, the price is the same, right? And can you see the Q2? It has increased or decreased? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So price is the same, but quantity demanded has increased. Increased mean there's going to be a new demand curve, and new demand curve be on the right side. Why? Because quantity increase mean going to the right, right? If we increase the quantity on x-axis, it means we are going to the right. So look at here right now. Here we go. So this is our original curve, right? If there is an increase in quantity demanded, and the reason is not price, price is the same, then we see a new demand curve, and that is right. If we see that the quantity demanded has changed or decreased and the price is the same, then we see a new demand curve, which is on the left side. So we can say that if there is increase in demand and the reason is not price, it means demand curve will be shifted to the right. Shifted to the right. So you see here, in previous slide, price is the same and new quantity demanded has increased. So increase mean we would be having a new demand curve, and that demand curve would be the right side of the old one, which means shift to the right. And if we see the second scenario in which demand has decreased, which means demand would be shifted to the left side. So it means increase in demand means shift to the right, decrease in demand means shift to the left. Again, let me explain one more time that increase in demand curve means shift to the right, decrease in demand curve, which means shift to the left. Whenever we say shift to the right, or if you read in the reading materials, demand is shifted to the right, it means we're talking about that reason is not price, some other factor which causes demand to increase, and demand curve has increased, shift to the right. That's it. So this is the scenario. Now our class activity 2. What I'm going to do, I'm making this as a group activity. Let me make a breakout room. So you are required to take this picture so that everybody has this picture. So Faik, can you take a picture and send it to the group?
Yeah, sure.
And I'm making a breakout room. So this is a group activity. You have to send me, you write down your group names and then send that picture to the group. I'm gonna give you 5 minutes. So everybody must have this picture, and you will be discussing in the group that who is going to make that, and everybody must participate. So first of all, let me make the group. We'll be making 5. Here we go. Okay, guys, you decide that who is going to be making the graph, and everybody must participate. You can also switch on your cameras and show each other that okay, I made this graph. So I would recommend that each one make their own graph, and you guys decide which one is the best. Write down your group member's name and one picture for this group. Send it to the group. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
give you five minutes to do that.
All right.
Good. If you have questions, you can call me into the group. Okay. You can go to the settings or manage participants. You can always call me here. Okay.
Perfect.
Cool.
What is the exercise?
Okay, everyone. So
Oh, here.
all you have to do, so I would suggest that everybody make the graph and you show to each other. And if you think that, okay, which one is the good graph, you can write it down the group name over there and send it one picture for this group in the group.
Okay.
Okay, sound good?
Okay.
Okay.
So we just put like group 2 and the graph, no? Right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Very nice. You can always call me to the group. If there is a problem, you can call me to this group, okay? So you can go to the settings, or you can call me over there.
All right.
Thank you.
Where is Jacob? He's supposed to be here. Okay. Okay, everyone. So I would, suggest that make everyone, you make single graph, and you can show it with each other. You can turn on your camera, discuss with each other, and you think that if someone's graph is better, you write it down your name and send it to the group. So your group number, I think is 3, right?
3. Yes.
Right. So I would require that everyone please make their own graphs, because I just gonna give you 5 minutes, and you show with each other that our graph is like that. So which one is the best one? Write it down over there, group 3. Write it down your names and one picture for this group 3. Okay, send it to the group.
Sure. Thank you.
You can also call me to this group if there is any thing you want to discuss. You can just click and you can just call me here. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, everyone. So I suggest that you should make your individual graph and show it to each other, and which one is the best. So you can write it down over there, group number 4, write it down your names and one picture for this group, send it to the group. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And if there is a problem and there is a confusion, you can always call me to this group. Okay. You can just
Okay, thank you.
you can call me here. Okay. Okay. Good luck. And Jacob, are you there? Okay, welcome back after a breakout room. I just ended the breakout room. I hope you guys have already made this class activity 2. Let me share the screen here. Here we go. Right? So can you tell me whether we have a new demand curve or not? We have a new demand curve, right? And
Yeah.
you see something here, it is on the right side or on the left side?
On the right side.
The right side. Very nice. So you see here, plus you can also guess from here. See, on every price, the new demand curve has increased. See? You can also say that it is always the case of right side. So if drinking cola becomes more fashionable, demand will increase at every price level, right? So you can say that demand is increased at every price level. It means price is not changed, price is the same. The reason is the fashion. It means we see a new demand curve. So we have group 2. Okay, where is group 3 and 4?
Wait, sir. Sending.
Okay. Okay, anything you want to ask? No question?
No.
Okay. From group 4, where is group 3? Yeah, received. Okay, good. So everyone shift to the right. Very nice. Very nice.